Go. Hello, Rascal. Hi, guys. I just thought I would do a little video. We're staying near I think it's the Edward River that runs into the Murray River. Or is it the Murray that runs it? Anyway, we're in Moulamein. We're staying here for a few days because we kind of miscalculated. But you know what? Adventures are how things happen. Now, I will turn the camera around so you don't have to look at my face and all the time and show you. Now, earlier this year we came through Moulamein and we had to go through a lot of water. This was all underwater, so I'll be showing you that, and then we will just see the beauty of the river. Okay, catch you later, guys. Okay, now there is a lot of Rascal is with me. He's free roaming because it's just so good. This is actually a free camping spot. That's the Moulamein Barham Road up there. Sorry about the sun, guys. They are doing road works here and fixing the paths and that. This is a free camping area and a nice area to picnic and fish and camp and everything like that. So the water was actually up over the road. Moulamein was literally flooded in for a couple of months, and it was actually around Christmas time because some people sent extra Christmas presents for kids and that, which was really good. But I'll get close up here and show you the river. So Moulamein town's over the other side, and that's one way. And you can actually see how far the river went up on the trees. Don't you fall in, Rascal. I'll just show you. So there's the height just there. That's how far the water went on this tree. So, and then, so it is lovely, and they're also repairing this road here, because this goes down underneath the bridge. Not too fast, Rascal. Good boy. Now there is a lot of birds and animals. Last night there was a big mob of, a flock I should say, of corellas and sulphur-crested and kookaburras were laughing as we were setting up our tent, not our tent, our annex on the caravan. But Moulamein is a really nice, lovely little town. Hopefully, I'm going to do a few days here later on because it has a historical courthouse. It also has a cemetery, but it also has like a little village, and there's a old shearing shed called Moulamein. Hope I said that right. And you can actually go and stay there. Don't know whether it's haunted. So yeah, so it's really nice. So you can see where they actually, yesterday this was full of holes when I walked down. I have been metal detecting today. Look at these gorgeous old, I'm not going to walk right down. Rascal! Shh. We're not going to walk right down. Come back. Rascal. Good boy. Okay, so you can put your boat in there as well. And there's all little camping. You do have to have your own power generator and all that. So apparently there's a big red gum here. So I'll have to find out where that is and about that. So that's just a midget of a walk. And over the road there is the football ground and the RSL club. And they play bowls there, and there is a tennis court, netball court. And they do quite often have live music and that here too. So, oops. So, even though there is a lot of noise, it's a nice little area to come and stay. And we've had little blue wrens around our caravan today, which is really good. Come on, Rusk. So we'll just go up and I'll show you the picnic area. This way, Rascal. Not on the road. That's a good boy. Oh, that's the guys. They came and asked if we would look after their equipment for the night. We went, yeah, why not? But, I mean, unfortunately, people have been known to go for a joyride in those big things. But that's okay. So, as you can see, they came in today and mowed the lawns and weeds and come here, not too fast. So there's a little picnic table here. There's bins over there. And you can do a river walk. Now, welcome to Moulamein River Walk. The unique area of tall river gums has great cultural and historical significance. I can't say that word today. For the local Wamba and Wemba people who hunted, fished, cooked, camped and held ceremonial gatherings as a community in this area for hundreds and thousands of years. The name Moulamein is an Aboriginal word meaning the meeting of the waters, referred to the junction of the Edward River and the Billabong Creek. So it is the Edward that goes into the Billabong and that. Okay. The area is full of native wildlife. Kangaroos, emus, goannas, bearded dragons, bluefinch, cockatoos, galahs, kookaburras, the endangered bush stone curlews, and blue wrens, and a lot of others. I will go over here because it is, I think that's a part of the walking track. They've got a lovely cafe here, and it's like an information centre. So we have, come here, a sculpture here. This is for Carol McCready. She was a local artist, voluntary work, and she was fondly remembered as the Emu Lady. And her ashes were scattered around the big tree. Now I don't know which big tree, but this is, hopefully you can see. Now in Moulamein there is a lot of her paintings. And oh, I think come here. I think I stepped on a stink bug. Oops, there was a hole there. Oops. Okay. If you go through Moulamein, there is paintings, and they all have emus in. Okay, the big tree is 170 metres downstream from the bridge. Okay. Come on, Rascal, we're going to find the big tree. Oh. Someone's destroyed the sign. So I'll try and show you both sides. You can actually drive down here. There is another area to go parking and relaxing. And you know, if you do come parking and camping here, please remember fire and that can get out of hand, and yeah, remember the fire restrictions, water restrictions and everything like that. Remember this river does have a rip. There is submerged trees and whatever, so please don't go diving in it, because you could hurt yourself badly, and we don't want that. Okay, right, it is about 3:30 in the afternoon. It's really been a glorious day today. I love this sign. It says the big tree that away. Okay, now there's a wharf over there, and the steamboats and the paddle boats used to come up this direction too. This was all underwater as well. I did go metal detecting, but I'm still learning the metal detector, and I found lots of tin cans and bottle tops and stuff like that. Chain, old nails. Okay. The settlement, just wait, can you see that? The settlement of Moulamein is claimed to be the oldest town in the southern Riverina, surveyed by Thomas Townsend in 1851. So that's the wharf over there. There is a wharf over there. But it's all, they must be redoing parts of it as well. The wharf was built during 1908. River boats travelled to the Edward, bringing supplies to the town and surrounding districts, then returning with their wood and other commodities. The Goldsborough paddle ship, built in 1875, Adetuka, was locally owned by Lachlan McBean of Woomera station. The Goldsboro was used to transport goods from his property to Echuca. The coming of the railway line in 1926 caused the end of the riverboat trade. So I'm not quite sure where Woomera Station is. Okay, Rascal, we're still looking for the big tree. I don't know what, but that looks like it was a part of a building. There's a couple of pubs over there, and there's an aged care centre where I used to work. That was a lovely. It was the right ratio. You had 5 people. It was great, 1 to 5. That's how it should be. Okay. I don't know. No, there's no sign to say where the big tree is. That's a big tree. There's lots of big trees. Oh, should have worn my sunglasses. Sorry, guys. But it is a lovely walk, and there's like a little barbecue fire there. Rascal! Good boy. Mummy couldn't see you. Okay, but it is, as you can see, it's a lovely area. They only mow certain areas because there is a lot of wildflowers and different trees and stuff like that. This would be a nice... Oh, someone slipped there. Maybe that was the person that yelled this morning. Someone this morning. That was probably the person. Doesn't look like they fell on their bottom, but... So you've got the river over there too. So it goes meandering around. Oh, excuse me. Even though it's a nice day, there's still a chill. I'll just show you over this side. Rascal, come here. No, we're not going up there. Have I walked 170 metres? I don't know. I feel like I've walked a lot. Oh, that's a semi. Oh, I think I should have brought my stick so I could lean on it. It helps my breathing. I don't know whether it's true or whether it's just me. See, that's a lovely river gum, and that's been hit by something up there, but regrown. There's a lot of nests in that. Okay. Oh. So that, no, we're not going there because it's too wet. It must be over that way, through there, but the water's coming up and over. So that's the bridge, and the water last December was actually, like I said, Moulamein was totally closed off. People were using boats to get around. Come here. So it's not completely over, but I don't feel safe walking down there, and I've got to walk back. Rascal, we're going back to the caravan. Good boy. So it is a lovely walk, and I think you can get a big trail of information that where you can go and stop, because I know you can walk to Moulamein, the old shearing station that was built 1800s, and like I said, you can stay there. There is accommodation available. So guys, I'm just going to go quiet for a minute. I'm just a bit puffed, so just enjoy the scenery and the birds. Actually guys, I might finish it there and come back to you later. Okay, you take care, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.